Hello, students. In today's session, we have gathered here with an altogether unique agenda, and that is to how exactly to brace ourselves up for scoring somewhere in the proximity or in the range of 22 out of 24. So, out of 24 questions, how are we going to, what specific strategic setup should we need to adopt in order to brace ourselves fully to attain this magic figure of 22 out of 24? क्या हम करें जिससे हम 22 का स्कोर हासिल कर पाए आउट ऑफ 24 इन सीआर? क्या हमें वो सारे एडेप्टिव स्ट्रेटेजीज अप्लाई करने चाहिए? क्या हमारा मोडस ऑपरेंडी रहना चाहिए? क्या हमारा पूरा एक बेंट ऑफ माइंड होना चाहिए दैट कैन अफोर्ड अस अ प्रॉपर स्ट्रेटेजिक विजन ऑफ what we need to get, what are the exact ways and means we need to be adoptive of pertaining to how we are oriented towards this target, towards this ultimate target of 22 out of 24. सबसे पहला काम जो हमें करने की जरूरत है that is focus on your basic concepts exhaustively. आपके जितने भी concepts हैं इंक्लूसिव ऑफ, मान लीजिए मैं कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स को मेंशन करूंगा यहां पे, इंक्लूसिव ऑफ मेन आइडिया, ये हमारे कुछ रूडिमेंट्री कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं, इन्फरेंस, assumption, argument, premise, ये हमारे कुछ rudimentary concepts हैं and I would rather recommend them to be properly imbibed by each and every one of you in totality. Not a single one should be left behind, not a single one should escape your highly penetrative sight for every single conceptual element that forms the pith and marrow of this particular substance of critical reasoning. Moving ahead, now our next goal should be solve all the modules provided by LPT. Whatever we have provided you by far in terms of modular content. For instance, you have with you one of the most important module, that is module number 5, that contains past year papers of CLAT. Past year papers of CLAT, this one is one of the most mandatory and elementary material that should be picked up by all and be practiced religiously within a matter of some 15 to 20 days, and you just need to get done with this as early as possible so that you have a proper hindsight view of what exactly CAT caters to students on an year by year basis. What does it prefer to hide up in a sleeve for students who are aspiring for top NLU positions or who are aspiring for a cut in the shortlist of top ranking NLUs. Now moving ahead, we have with us, do not give away negative marks. Now this includes one of my most personal remarks on your entire strategic setup to deal with critical reasoning. Is many a times it has been observed that students with a presumptuous attitude tend to go for 24 out of 24 questions. बहुत बार students के साथ ये देखने को मिलता है that despite the fact that 2 or 3 questions tend to stump them or they tend to bamboozle them in the midway, many a times the concepts of questions are not properly graspable to students concerned, they still go for 24 out of 24 questions in CR. This happens to be one of the biggest loopholes in their overall approach towards this particular subject matter. The reason being, at no point of time or at any day you cannot expect yourself to be so well equipped to deal with all 24 questions in the same or in a uniform format or with a uniform sense of accuracy. That is practically out of the question. That is totally impossible. So considering this, always prepare a leeway plan for at least 1 to 2 questions. You should at least provide, you should at least keep some leeway, some minimal leeway for 1 to 2 questions, or and specifically the questions which you feel are not falling within the ken of your understanding, and those that you feel are particularly perturbing in a sense that they are not aligning well with the overall conceptual foundations that have been created via months and months of teaching and administered lectures that you have had back at your LPT centers. So considering that, if in any case you find there is an element or there is a marginal fraction of the paper that is particularly not suiting the overall rhythm of your preparation, then you better let go of these 1 to 2 questions. Because you have to, under every circumstance, avoid giving away negative marks. If in case you are scoring 20 or 21 out of 24 and you have given away 2 to 3 negative marks, this scenario in itself speaks volumes about the level of hampering it has done to your cumulative effort of acquiring a score that is above 20. The superlative score of above 20 becomes more and more elusive once you are unable to pick up the basics of sound reasoning and an overall logic friendly decision making while dealing with questions that fall under this particular category of critical reasoning. I hope मेरी बात सबको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आ रही है. अब मैं next point आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करूंगा, that is, be very certain of your correct answer choices. जब भी आप क्वेश्चन करें, आपको एक चीज का बहुत अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान रखना है, correct answer option choices. More often than not, a scenario crops up where you are able to get rid of at least 2 out of 4 option choices and you get stuck in 2 remaining 2 option choices. Here, what you need to prefer while dealing with the question, just try to work out which of the 2 options is logically and proximally closer to the main idea of the passage. Which of the 2 options is proximally and logically closer to the main idea of the passage, and which of the 2 final options is affording you a greater level of I must say connectivity with the main idea of the passage. 4 में से 2 जो बचे हैं, 4 में से 2 तो irrelevant चले गए, आप सबको इसको निकालना आता है. But when it comes to the countdown, to the last countdown of zeroing in on the final answer option choice, there you often tend to get stuck. In order to disentangle this rigmarole, you have always few options handier for you, and one of them includes that you just check out which of the 2 remaining options is forming a closer connectivity with the main idea of the passage or the normal content of the passage. Whichever one is closer with the normal content of the passage or with the main idea of the passage, you can blindfoldedly go for it. Okay, moving ahead. Now we have our last cautionary, last word of caution which I would like to issue in the general interest of the entire community of students who are putting their best foot forward for CLAT 2025 examination. That is, do recurrent reading of every passage in the paper. Recurrent reading. What is the meaning of recurrent reading? I tell you. Recurrent reading means first time you read the passage normally. First is normal reading. Normally reading the passage. The first thing is what? Normal reading of the passage, and second is causal reading of the passage. Once you have seen the nature of questions that have been posed underneath a passage, just try to do some causal reading of the passage. Causal reading means the type of questions that have been posed for you. Just try to pick up their context and associate them directly with what is provided in the passage, where exactly they are located in the passage, and do some contextual reading. Once you have done the contextual reading of the content of relevant questions, you would automatically be able to figure out the way ahead with respect to getting to the bottom of the questions, to those questions for which you have taken the route to the passage. Okay, last but not the least, try to keep track of the main idea in every passage to avoid last moment hush between two choices. So as previously said, always be very साउंड एंड सर्टन अबाउट योर मेन आइडिया. सबसे पहला काम क्या करना है, पैसेज पढ़ना है तो मेन आइडिया निकाल लेना है. हर पैसेज का मेन आइडिया निकाल के चलना है, जिससे लास्ट टाइम का, लास्ट मोमेंट की जो हश होती है, लास्ट मोमेंट का जो वाइब्रेशन होता है माइंड में, that which of the two choices should be picked up. Remaining two choices, जिसमें मैं पहले भी बात कर चुका हूं, किसको पिक करना है, उसके लिए सबसे अच्छा तरीका होता है go by the authority of the main idea of the passage. आई होप मैंने जो आप लोगों को समझाने की कोशिश की सबको समझ में आया. आई थिंक आई एम डन अप with what I should have presented for today's session in order to give you a gist of our game plan for critical reasoning, and I think it must have done you all an immense level of good, considering the robustness of your overall preparations for the time being, and we expect them to acquire Godspeed in probably over the next 2 to 3 months, and we'll keep seeing each other via this modus of YouTube. And I expect you all would pick up progress in your overall endeavors. And thank you, bachcho. Thanks a lot.